Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to check your authentication status on StockX. So let's get started. Now there is two meanings of authentication. There's this two-step authentication, so you can check its status if it is turned on or not, which is very simple. Go to your profile and click on it. This will take you to a page list that looks like this. Then go all the way down to settings. And here you will find the two-step verification, or what you call it, two-step authentication. So you can turn it on from here. Now, what about the authentication of the account itself and to view your status? Then simply go to the settings section, which is right over here. And as you can see here, you will find that I have 0%. So I haven't authenticated my account. And in order for me to do so, I will need to do all of these steps. First of all, starting with verifying my email. Clicking right here and basically resending a verification email to this account. And what I should do is to go to my account back, open my inbox, and check for any new email that has been sent to me. So it should be something right here. It hasn't sent yet. It should be in a few seconds. Here it is. And now I should verify my email, as you can see right here. So once you did that, once you have verified your email, you should go to the next step, which is literally going to the add and shipping address. So go ahead and add your shipping address. It's very easy to add it. Just simply put your address, where you live, etc., where you want to receive your basically your product. And here add your payment method and verify your identity. And once you have gone through all of this, simply you will have your account authenticated and verified. So your account is now good to go as a seller. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.